How you're going to secure your trampoline for the winter storm to make sure that it doesn't blow away. Secure your straps at the bottom and you will be safe to know that your trampoline is not going to blow away in the impending storm that they say is coming. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. Okay, I got some rocks in the ground. Here we go. Usually you're going to use a hammer or something. There you go. Get it in. Secure it. And that's how you're going to make sure that this baby doesn't fly away.